friends, again I come to show you another tips and tricks about Android technology. Let's see how to hack any games in your Android device, and these apps did not find in your Play Store. That's why you go to Google and write LUCKY Lucky PATCHTCHER Lucky Patcher APK download. That's the link. When you see download link, go to the download option and download UC browser. Download here, download Patcher APK, and you also find this download link in my video description. Please go to the video description and see the download link. Let's see how to hack any game in your Android device. This apps already installed in my phone. I go to the Lucky Patcher. See, here is a lot of apps or games. You can also hack any apps in your device for use this app. Let's see. Asphalt Extreme, and I tell you that some online game does not hack. That's why only non-online game you can hack in your device. Let's see. Real Cricket 3D. Go to the open menu of patches, create modified APK file, and APK revealed for in-app and LVL emulation. Then reveal the app. Then wait few minutes to see. Then see the wait is over. The game is hacked properly. Then go to, then hack is done. Then click the go to file. Then Real Cricket 3D. Then uninstall and install all. Install. Then details. Install anyway unsafe because it's hack in your device. Then open. The hack is done. So open the games. Have to continue. Your games is already hacked. You see there are many coins. You see the hack is done. There are a lot of coin and a lot of tickets. Level 5 you already. There's the hack is done. So if you like my video, please like and obviously comment in this video, and obviously subscribe and stay with us. And thanks the Android technology member being with us. Thank you for watching this video.